It's always good when you can look at yourself naked in the mirror and be like, damn, I look good, right? Hello there. How are you? It's me, Tandy. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you click this video, we're here for another Yellow Plate series special. I've been gone for a minute and I wanted to kind of update you guys on where I've been. So if you're interested in finding out the recipe to this delicious meal that I've made today, as well as where the hell it is that I've been for the last 7 months, then make sure that you continue watching. And if you don't really care for the food, you can just go ahead and skip to this little section right here in the video and you can get right into the tea. Okay, you guys, so to start out this meal, I'm going to bring 2 pots to a boil. And today I'm going to be using Royal Blend rice by Rice Select. This is actually one of my favorite rices. Not really sure who put me onto this, but yeah, I really like it. Next, I'm gonna add some butter to both pots. I like to use Smart Balance butter because it's a little bit less cholesterol. Like, I'm trying to, you know, save my arteries or whatever. And in my other pot, I'm going to put a cup of mixed vegetables. Yeah. And for seasoning, I already actually seasoned this fish with some homemade adobo, but as you can see, I'm taking a little bit of orange pepper seasoning, and this stuff is so good, especially on fish. Like, I really love this on any kind of like seafood. This seasoning is really, really, really good. Like, look at that. Do you see that? Oh, this fish is gonna be so good. I'm excited. So once my fish is all seasoned, I go in and just put it on, like, you know, this little aluminum foil and fold up the sides just so it could be like in its own little personal kind of bowl or whatever. And I stick that into the air fryer. Of course, the air fryer, because literally who needs an oven? I swear by this air fryer, honestly. And in case you were wondering what I look like in my ratchet kitchen, this is what I'm looking like. This lighting isn't really doing me no justice. Simple face, 10-minute face, nothing serious. You know it's not serious when I don't have any lashes on. Like, that's when you know there's been like minimal effort put in. But yeah, let's check on this food because I'm rambling for no reason right now. Sorry. I'm gonna check on, because we only got about 5 more minutes left. I like to have, oh my God, so good. It smells amazing. See that butter? Wow. And this is what my meal came out to look like. I'm really super pleased. Everything looks delicious, but let's see how it tastes, right? And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. Now, let's get into this meal. I really love Royal Blend rice. Like, this is so good. And I'm like trying this new thing, you guys, where I don't put sauce or any kind of condiment on my food because I am a sucker for putting hot sauce on everything. Like, literally, I put that shit on everything, okay? I kind of wanted to film this video because I felt like, you know, I've been missing for like, I think my last video that I uploaded on YouTube was like 7-8 months ago. And that's not okay. Some people have been reaching out to me on YouTube and really appreciating the videos that I did upload last year. And I feel like, you know what? That was a sign for me that I needed to hop back on YouTube. So here I am. I'm just gonna give you guys a brief little like update on where I've been. Honestly, same shit, different toilet though, as far as where I've been. Like, work. It's so hard being an entrepreneur and like being able to manage everything and your entrepreneurial endeavors as well. Like, that's really, really hard. You still gotta, you know, do what you got to do for your 9 to 5, so to speak, as well as do everything and more that you need to do to have your business prosper. So I've definitely been juggling the best way that I can, and I do apologize for neglecting my YouTube in the process, but I'm here now. And I know I've said this for like 3 years straight on YouTube, but it's a new year. We're gonna do this thing, period. I need to hurry up and eat because I hate eating cold food. Deadass. Let me taste this fish. I think this is whiting. I don't feel like I've ever had whiting fish. If you guys have ever had whiting fish, comment down below. Let's see how this tastes, I guess, right? The seasoning is good, of course, but as far as the actual fish, it's okay. I'm not like astounded. It ain't no salmon, you know. I am a sucker for salmon and shrimp. Like, I will literally eat salmon and shrimp the whole entire month. Like, my dad has a running joke like, oh, I'm surprised you're not cooking shrimp. Because I just really love shrimp and salmon. Like, I really love it. So I'm trying to grow. One of the reasons why I'm back here on YouTube, but I'm really trying to grow as a person in general. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna switch it up when I went to the grocery store. Give me some of that whiting, okay? Let me see what that's like. Is it hitting? Is it slapping? It's okay. Is it my favorite fish? No, but it'll do. Back to the whole growth thing, since we know that everything is good on the yellow plate. I've really been working on finding myself, and when I say finding myself, I mean spiritually, financially, like just trying to align myself with who I want to be. So many influences around us, so many great things, great people around us doing great things, and it's super inspiring, but it also will sometimes have you feeling like, damn, I'm not where I need to be. And honestly, at the end of the day, the only person that you have to blame is yourself. So I've been coming to that realization that, you know, I'm the type of person where when I do something, I like to do it like full force, like wholeheartedly, like I'm gonna go all in and do it and try to do it the best way that I can. And that's including YouTube. Like, I started out doing this when I was in college and I don't want to say I never took it really serious, but I definitely probably gave it about 75% of my energy. I would say that. The most I ever gave YouTube was probably about 75% of my energy. Not this year though. This year I'm giving it 120%. I promise you guys I'm going to be a lot more consistent. After seeing how many videos I have on YouTube, granted I have a lot of videos compared to some, but like considering how long I've been on YouTube, technically like I should have more videos. But yeah, I've really been like using crystals, getting rid of bad energy, just to try and get myself to the point where I'm at peace. Like, peace is everything to me these days, honestly. I'm just trying to find that balance. I've even been working out more. I'm really trying to get my abs right. Like, at one point in time, y'all, I had 2 abs and you couldn't tell me nothing. Like, dead ass, you could not tell me shit. I was that period with the 2 abs. Oh, you mean, oh, Tandy? Oh, you talking about the girl with the 2 abs? Oh yeah, I saw her. Right, like that was me. I was she is I, and I'm gonna get back to that. It's always good when you can look at yourself naked in the mirror and be like, damn, I look good, right? I'm trying to eat out less, enjoy my life more, and be the person who I want to be. So what does it say for the future of my YouTube? It says that I will be uploading again on a weekly basis, period. At least once a week here on YouTube. I'll be uploading on Instagram a lot more though. I get a lot more engagement on Instagram. I'm a lot more active on there. So if you like the content that you see here on this YouTube channel, sis, come and follow me on the gram. Like, for real. I promise you we'll have some good times. You can slide in my DM. I respond. You can hit me in a comment. I type back, like, on some real. That's another thing. I want to stop saying all the damn time. That like really gets me. Why am I like this? Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this recipe or this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Again, let me know if you ever had whiting fish down in the comments. Also, I feel like I always see royal blend rice at the supermarket. It's never sold out. Do you eat royal blend rice? Because I'm curious to know. Like, am I the only one that buys it? And with that being said, that is the end of this video. Remember to love yourself or nobody else will. See you guys next time.